Got another interesting find here. Box is in pretty nice shape. And we opened it up. And what we got is a 17-piece socket set. Maybe actually one piece more than 17, so maybe an 18-piece total. And it's by a company called Techomaster. And if you've probably never heard of it, probably because you're not in Canada. It's a very strange company. So, 17-piece socket set. Contains 3 6-point and the rest 12-point. And we got the 3 6-point, and we got all the 12-point, and someone's actually added a 1 1/4, which it never come with. It's actually a Husky socket, which is kind of cool. Kind of fills the box out. But we'll show you the description here. And this is the part that gets interesting. Notice at the bottom there. Exclusive with Eaton's in Canada. Eaton's was something similar to Sears. So they got bought out a number of years ago. I couldn't tell you what year this thing is. Probably could be 50s. I don't know. Could be a little earlier. Who knows? I can tell you these rubber grips are pretty much shit. The one on the breaker bar spins. I haven't really played with it much, but I don't know. I thought it was a pretty neat kit. I grabbed it just for the novelty. I grabbed it with 2 other boxes. There's 2 boxes I grabbed full of all kinds of junk tools, and this, paid just $60 for it. I'll show you the other box later. The other box is kind of neat. I got it more just for the box. But yeah, let me know what you think. See if anyone remembers this set. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by, say hello.